Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and today's on Leetcode daily challenge problem number 206, reverse linked list. So this is a really easy problem to solve and we basically have to reverse the linked list, a given linked list. And this question has been asked in multiple questions of well-reputed companies, so I think it will be a good add-on in your knowledge. So uh, it's a single line. Given the head of a singly linked list, reverse the list and return the reversed list. And you can see the same in the example figure as well, where we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after reversing, we have the the other way 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is what we want to do. And to do that, what I'll use pointers to solve this problem. There are various other approaches. Like for example, you can just simply traverse the whole array, traverse the whole linked list, put it in an array, and do a reverse traversal and create linked list. Okay, this is one approach, but it's not that optimized. So what we are gonna do, we are gonna use a more optimized approach in which I'll be using pointers, and I'll use three pointers: head, previous, and next. So the logic behind the complete solution is, for example, if we have three nodes, let's say, okay, A, B, C. This was the head currently, and this was how we had the linked list. We want to reverse it, right? So by reversing it, what you will be doing actually is, like, you will be just simply changing the direction of this arrow, right? So it will be something like this, correct? So your the next element of your original linked list will become your previous element, correct? So for example, in this case, for B, okay, the next element was C, right? But when you do the reverse, it will be your previous element, right? Because the linked list originates from C and then it is going to B. So this is the crux of the whole statement, that we have to change or swap the pointer's direction, and we'll be doing exactly the same. So what I'll do, I'll simply iterate the whole linked list like we do using the head, but for but we'll use previous and next pointers to do the reversal. So what I'll do, for example, my head is at 1, okay, my head is at 1 at the moment. What is the previous node to it? It is none, right? Because we don't have any previous for the first element. And next is 2, correct? Now what I will do, I will change the pointers. So uh, by saying this, what I'm doing, uh, I am reversing the previous with next one. Okay, so basically the next pointer for the current head dot next will point to previous. Okay, so now it is pointing to none. Okay, and next is what we will just simply move the array move the pointer to the next element, which is 2. Okay, and we don't have this relation further. Okay, we don't have this. Now my head is at 2. Okay, previous is, yeah, also, like, when you'll do this, like, we'll update the value of previous as well. Previous is 2 and next is 3 now. Sorry, previous was 1, my bad. Okay, because 1 was coming before 2. So previous is 1, head is 2, and next is 3. We'll do the same again. We change the head dot next to previous, which is 1. Update this value, this will become 2 now. Now update your pointer. Okay, so this is the value now is, we are updating the pointer. Head is 3, previous is 2. Now we'll calculate the next again, which is 4. Okay, so we'll keep on just following this, and at the end you'll have all the uh, all the mappings reversed. Okay, and if you see, at the end, what we be doing, we will be just simply swapping the value at head with the previous one, or you can just simply return the previous element, because if you follow the same step, this will be the element which will be pointing to the last element. Okay. So let's check out the code as well. Okay, so here if you see what I have done, I have declared a variable previous and we have initialized it with none, because for the first element we will not have any previous element. Now I'm just simply iterating the linked list, and we are just figuring out what is the next node using head.next and storing it in a variable. Now, as I said, what we will do, we will just simply swap the next element with the previous one, and this is what we are doing over here, right? Now, your previous element will become your head. That means your current element will become your previous. For example, in the example we were following, we had 1 2, right? So now your previous element will become 1. Initially, it was none. And next we are just simply doing head equals to head dot next. So instead of writing it down again, I use the same node which we had here. Okay, and at the end when we'll complete the traversal, we will just simply change the base head or the original head with the previous variable, and we return that. Let's check out the test cases. So the test cases got clear. Let's submit for further evaluation. And the solution also got accepted. Not sure why it didn't perform well on runtime, but last time I ran it was around 90%, so it's fine. So as you can see, yeah, this was the solution, guys. Thanks again for watching the video. Stay tuned with the upcoming ones. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.